Naitwa Gaudensia Makoha, mchezaji wa taifa wa beach volleyball. Na sahi I'm a coach. But before that, pia nilikuwa nacheza. I've been playing for the last, I would say 15 years, both locally and professional. And I've been doing beach volleyball and indoor volleyball. And today I'm here with the kids under 17, courtesy of CAS, Kenya Academy of Sports. I'm happy and privileged to be part of this journey because I was there before. Back in 2009, I was a pioneer of, by then it was called NITA, and now it's called CAS. I was a pioneer in volleyball, and we stayed in the academy for almost 2 years. But today I'm happy to be here because now I'm a coach, and I'm happy to meet some of the young boys and girls who are the same age when I joined the academy. And I would like to appreciate Kenya Sports Fund and CAS in total for this, giving these young boys and girls this opportunity to be in the academy. Yes, as a coach, I want to see these kids growing to be and to get where I am today. Because, you know, you understand sports, it's, you can't play for a long time. Sports span is very short. And at some point when you are playing, you aim to give hope to the young ones. There are so many young girls and young boys who normally watch us when we are playing, and they want to be like you when they grow up. And it's only us who can motivate them, show them the way, and encourage them that sports can really help you reach places and have money and live a good life.
Alikuwa akicheza na nikasikia kutoka na coach Mchete kwamba watu wakiongea kuhusu yeye kwenda 2020 kwenda Tokyo. Sasa kwangu mimi venye aliniambia kwamba venye nilisikia kwamba alienda Tokyo, nikajua kwamba volleyball inaweza kupeleka mahali mbali. Si normal volleyball peke yake, even beach volleyball inaweza kupeleka mbali. Coach Gaudensia yuko friendly, but ukienda wrong na yeye, ukiwa friendly na yeye pia yeye kwa friendly. But ukiwa tough alafu yani ukiwa na negative attitude kutoka kwake, utamwona yuko tough lakini uko friendly. Coach Gaudensia is like a role model to me.
Kuna coaches wangu anaitwa Gaudensia. Ni coaches mwingine amepitia kucheza mchezo za country. Nilivyoitwa kucheza, yani kuwaona alivyocheza, ndio mimi pia nizigain. Nikaona coaches wangu ana receive ball. Yani ana block, ana receive ball, anacheza ball nyingine ya nzuri. Hashtuki, yani ball ni watu wawili, ana block, akimaliza kublock ana cover, ana receive ball vizuri.
As you see, these young boys and girls, they are happy not only to be here but also to have the best coaches who have been in this sport for a very long time. I myself am an Olympian, so when I'm playing with them, they see the point of view. When you tell them like do this, they take instruction like on a serious note because they know you can make it. And today you saw I was playing with one of them. Like when you make a point, they're also like, if the coach can do this at this age, and why not me? So they are so happy to be with us here. And also I will really, really thank CAS because beach volleyball was not part of the academy. But this season they decided to bring beach volleyball on board.
Experience yangu na Gaudensia sijawahi msikia popote. Hivi nilipokuja Mombasa nilipatana naye. Na tumeshirikiana naye kwa mazoezi vizuri. Ametupeleka mpaka pale tumefika. Kama wengine wetu si hatuko watu wa beach, tulichukuliwa indoor na tukujua kama tunaweza. Lakini tulipokuja hapa kwa beach, Gaudensia alikuwa na sisi huo muda wote mpaka saa hii ametupeleka vizuri ambapo tunaelekea kumaliza.
I would say my parting shot to this new generation, I want to see them reach high levels. And that will only happen if we give them hope and we give them what it takes. And I would like to encourage most of the kids who live here in Mombasa, I'm always here full time. When I'm not working, I'm on the beach training. And for me, I don't tell people to pay me to coach them because it's passion. I know where volleyball has brought me from and where I have gone places with this volleyball. So I'm always here. Whoever is interested coming for training, they are always welcome because we are always training here at Big Tree. The beach is free, we have equipment, the coaches are there, you can get players at young age, the old ones. So I would just encourage those young boys and young girls to come out and come here, train and get the good tactics from the best players because we are here, I'm here myself, we have Mchete, we have Coach Bera, we have Chamor, and we have other young boys who are good at beach volleyball. They can learn a lot, and my dream is to see the next generation going to the Olympics.
Life ya camp iko poa ukizoea kwa sababu unakuja for a reason but not for a season. Kwa sababu ukikuja unakuja kwamba ukuwa una aim na kitu kimoja. Like mimi nilikuja kwamba nime-aim kwamba nije ni improve kwenye skills zangu na nijifundishe mengi. Na ile ni fight kwamba kuna tuliambiwa kwamba kuna wenye na selectiwa wakaenda wa promoted wa to the next level.
Na sikuamini kuwa coach Gaudensha anaweza kuja kwa hii camp kutufundisha beach volleyball. No, sasa hii coach Gaudensha ni coaches wetu wa volleyball. Yafundisha volleyball vizuri, anatutrainisha ma skills, yani kuna kupoke, kuna kuserve, kuna kureceive na kublock na venye utarecover. Coaches anakuambia ugain, yani ucreate your own skills. Anakufundisha yani mind yako iwe sharp. Tizi zake ni ya kucool na kuna ya kuwarm. Yani ya kupeleka yani mwanafunzi anakaa au strong. Si ati apate muscle pulls ama kitu.
Sisi ni kurejesha shukrani kwa coaches kwa vile wamekuwa na sisi kuanzia saa hii mpaka hapo kesho tunataka kumaliza. Tumeenjoy zoezi na pia tutarajia next year tutakuwa selected tena ili tuweze kuja kuwakilisha kaunti zetu.
What I would like to encourage them that beach volleyball is really improving because last week we had under 17, they went for the African Junior Games in Angola. Both of them, boys and girls, they reached the semi-final. And imagine they only trained for 2 weeks. How about to have a beach volleyball league? How about we give these boys and girls like 2 months, 3 months of training? Or we give them program in schools like the other sports. They can reach wherever they want. Like we can go to World Championship, we can go to Olympics, Commonwealth, wherever we want. But then we have to make it a serious sport just like other sports. We have to give it attention.
Lengo langu kuchezea volleyball na kuchezea klabu ya JCU. Hata kama iko division 1.
I would like to say a big thanks to CAS for bringing this sport on board, and what I would urge them, don't drop beach volleyball. We have seen beach volleyball bringing gold medals to this country, and I just want them to encourage these young boys and young girls. Don't abandon them, because I myself am a pioneer of the Talent Academy. So let's give this young generation hope.